suicide. Said I hope you got my no bitch. Hey, I left it on the suicide note, bitch. Yeah, and you left it.
What's Gucci, everybody? It's your girl STFU Gucci, and today we are going to do an eyelash tutorial. And you know, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it without like tweezers, and I'm gonna do a video with tweezers if y'all want me to, but this one is how to do it without tweezers. So I'm sorry I look like a hooker. I didn't really finish wiping out my makeup. I just look bummy, so I apologize. But you know, I'm gonna try to post another video. I don't know if today, but you know, I'm just gonna be consistent. I'm gonna try, because you know I gotta work to that part. And yeah, you know, it's the weekend, so we're gonna try our best. And today is Thursday. I didn't have no school. They was trying to make me go, but yeah, no. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing it with these lashes. I would like, if I could find where I got these from. Like, I got them off AliExpress. I just need to find the specific description of these lashes, so you know y'all could be popping too if you like them. When I pop them on, you know, this is just a better view of it. You know, it's kind of dusty. Don't mind it. And then I'm gonna be using duo glue. Guys, don't use this glue. Like, it's really good glue, but it's bad for you. I'm just trying to use as much as I can of it, because this is like makeup my mom hid away from when stuff happened, which I will also make a video about in a month or so, because you know your girl's gonna be 18. So yeah, like I said in my last video, you know, check that out. It's gonna be down below, but check that out. It was the YouTuber tag. So yeah. Oh, and don't mind this. This is just my mirror, you know. So I'm just gonna put the glue on here. This is gonna be such a quick video. This is like 3 minutes. This is gonna be a 5-minute video. So you know, you're welcome. Hopefully. Okay, so pretty much just glue it, or just put it above your lash. I don't know why I put a mirror right here. I kind of don't even need it. And then I got this big old thing right here. But put it above. And just, yeah. You see? I'm sorry. Like, it's like more simple to show you guys and just tell you. You just got to make sure you put it above your lashes so you don't mess them up.
And just like make sure you get it as close as you can to just make it look like a real lash. And you can also just do this to make it stick down better. Like press it down and like press it towards you. Sorry.
And also, I forgot a step. You gotta put mascara on. So I'm gonna do the other side. Oh gosh, screwing up already. But yeah, just put mascara on before you do that. And if you do like eyeliner and all that, put the eyeliner on before you do the mascara and the lashes. if you've seen a lot of tutorials, or if you haven't, but I'm pretty sure everyone has. I for real look like I had a one night stand. I apologize. Like, I look beat. And then like what I got on is no better. Like, I just look like a whole bum. Not half a bum, a whole bum. Bum.com. Bumbucklot. Ew. Okay. Just let it dry. And honestly, don't let it get too dry. I've let it sit out for a minute because I just went to go do a little task, and then it just, yeah, no. And then just do the same thing as I showed on the other side, pretty much. Just glue it above. Oh, it wasn't that dry. See, and then boom, this side looks better than the other one. Oh, come on, baby. And then boom. You see that looks better than this side. Oh, hold on. Let's lift it a little bit. Gotta make sure you do this. I forgot a part. I need to watch my own video, you feel? And then I used to always like put eyeliner to make it look more natural, but like, I don't know, this doesn't look that bad. And I can actually see where I'm gluing it more. See? And then boom. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you want me to do any other type of videos, like I said, take suggestions. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.